I have my OnePlus 8 Pro. This is the Onyx Black version, and it's a 5G smartphone, Android phone, of course. And it's quite the power horse of a phone. One thing that I love about it is it's got 12 gigabytes of RAM, so you can run multiple apps at the same time and see no performance decrease in the phone. This is the 256 gigabyte version, so basically it stores any amount of like high def pictures, high def videos that you want to have, your music and stuff. It's got plenty of space on it. But the one thing that's really attractive to me, especially since I'm kind of a gamer, not really much a mobile gamer so much, but still a gamer nonetheless, is the fact that the screen is a 120 hertz. So you have high frame rate. I'm typically, when I use my mobile phone, I'm a Pokemon Go gamer, and it looks just really smooth. It doesn't go slow at all. Also, another added benefit of this phone is that the camera that it has is 48 megapixels, which is absolutely amazing. You can do up to 30 times digital zoom. It's got a 5 megapixel color filter camera and a 16 megapixel front camera. So every picture that you take, regardless of if you're using the front or the back camera, is going to come out in high quality. Makes your selfies pop, makes your pictures pop. Very good for landscape pictures and everything. So yeah, if you're in the mood for a new smartphone and you want something Android and something fast and powerful, this is the way to go.